Good morning, students. Myself Pavan sir, and we are here with the another topic, that is the Battle of Plassey, fought in 1757. We will see here that the Battle of Plassey was fought on 23rd June 1757. It was fought between the East India Company and the Nawab of Bengal, Siraj-ud-Dowla. East India Company got a decisive victory over the Nawab and his allies. So, we know that the battle was fought between the Britishers and the Nawab of Bengal, who is Siraj-ud-Dowla, and from the side of the British it was led by Robert Clive. And what were the causes of the Battle of Plassey? Majorly the reasons for the Battle of Plassey to take place were: number one, the rampant misuse of the trade privileges given to British by the Nawab of Bengal. So, as I have already discussed, that East India was given the permit to continue the trade without tax, but the private employees of the East India Company started trading without paying any tax, and this annoyed the Nawab of Bengal, and he wanted to control this misuse of the privilege. Number two, the non-payment of tax and duty by the workers of the British East India Company. So, as I have just told you, that these were the people who were not paying the tax, and they were taking advantage of the permit which was given to the East India Company for trade, and this was the reason that the Bengal was becoming weak and weak in wealth. And what were the other reasons that supported the coming of this battle? Actually, number one, this was the fortification of Calcutta by British without Nawab's permission. So this area was under the Nawab of Bengal, and the Britishers started fortifying. They started making the wall around their factory. So this was not permitted by the Nawab of Bengal. And secondly, the misleading Nawab on various fronts by British. The Britishers were misleading Nawab on many issues. And thirdly, the asylum was provided to Nawab's fugitive Krishna Das. Krishna Das was excommunicated, and British gave Krishna Das the shelter, and this was the reason, and the above mentioned reason annoyed the Nawab of Bengal, and he sent troops for the fight. And now we would see what were the causes of the defeat of Siraj-ud-Dowla. Mir Jafar, the commander of the Bengal's army, and his loyalists did not participate in the battle. They were supposed to fight from the side of the Siraj-ud-Dowla, but they didn't support. Actually, Mir Jafar betrayed Siraj-ud-Dowla, and there was another, the richest person of Bengal, the Jagat Sheth. He also refused to help Siraj-ud-Dowla, and that became the reason for the defeat of the Nawab of Bengal. What were the effects of the battle? Number one, Siraj-ud-Dowla was defeated, imprisoned, and later killed. Number two, the British made Mir Zafar the Nawab of Bengal because Mir Zafar had supported the Britishers, so these Britishers made him the Nawab of Bengal. And here I have given the Nawabs of Bengal in sequence at this time. That was Sirajuddaulah, then Mir Zafar, Mir Qasim, and Mir Zafar again was made the Nawab of Bengal. Thank you and have a nice day.